Start with the holy name of Allah Almighty, who is the most gracious, the most merciful. First of all, I want to thank you people who showed their support while subscribing my channel. In a very short period of time, I got 1k subscribers. It was just because of you. And I believe you will never disappoint me in near future. So for those who still did not subscribe my channel, it is requested you to do so. This channel is gonna help you to sort out your problem of vocabulary, and it will also get your desired bands in IELTS exam. You may let me know about your subject related problems through your comments. Take care of yourself and this channel as well. Allah Almighty bless you. I'll upload one video in English for those who wanna learn and understand in English, and another video will be uploaded in Urdu or Hindi. So this video is gonna teach you in English. This is IELTS reading exam, passage number 3. Passage number 3. And in this video, we will do the questions that we are given. Question number from 27 to 30. Do the following statement agree with the information given in the reading passage number 3? In boxes 27 to 30 on your answer sheet, write true, false or not given. If the statement agrees with the information, it will be true. If the statement contradicts the writer's information, then it will be false. If there is no information regarding to the question, then it will be not given. So question number 27 is, taxonomic research involves comparing members of one group of ants. So now we will read the paragraph from passage number 3. Collecting ants can be as simple as picking up stray ones and placing them in a glass jar, or as complicated as completing an exhaustive survey of all species present in an area and estimating their relative abundances. The exact method used will depend on the final purpose of the collection. For taxonomy or classification, yes, we got the word taxonomy. In question, it is written, taxonomic research involves comparing members of one group of ants. So we got the word taxonomy or taxonomic research or classification. Long series from a single nest. Single nest mean one group of ants, which contain all castes, workers, including major and minors, and if present, queens and males, are desirable to allow the determination of variation within species. So it is same as the writer tells us. The taxonomic research involves comparing member of one group of ants. One group means in a single nest, and comparing members mean all the caste which contains major and minors, if present workers, present queens and males. So this is the question which is told us that this is true. So we will write true in front of the question and as well as in front of the IELTS reading answer sheet, which seems like this. So the answer of 27th question is true. We will write true in 27th column. Now question number 28 is, new species of ants are frequently identified by taxonomists. New species of ants are frequently identified by taxonomists. Now we will again read the paragraph from where we skipped. For ecological studies, the most important factor is collecting identifiable, a word that we use to find identifiable samples of as many of the different species present as possible. Unfortunately, these methods are not always compatible. The taxonomist sometimes overlooks whole species in favor of those groups currently under study. Identifiable samples of as many of the different species present as possible. unfortunately, these methods are not always compatible. The taxonomist sometimes overlooks whole species in favor of those groups currently under study, while the ecologist often collects only a limited number of specimens of each species, thus reducing their value for taxonomic investigations. So, the word identifiable of samples of as many of the different species present as possible is done by ecological studies, but in the statement it is written by the taxonomist. So this statement contradicts the writer's information, so it will be false. We will also write false in IELTS reading answer sheet below the true. The answer of 27th is false. Now we will read our next question, our question number 29. Range is the key criterion for ecological collections. Range is the key criterion for ecological collections. So we will also read from where we skipped. Right now, the taxonomist sometimes overlooks the whole species in favor of those groups currently under study, while the ecologist often collects only a limited number of specimens of each species, reducing their value for taxonomic investigations. To collect a wide range of species as possible, several methods must be used to collect as wide a range of species as possible. So it is also agrees with the information that the writer asked in the question. Range is the key criterion for ecological collections. Yes, the range is the key criterion to collect a wide range of species as possible by ecological studies. Ecological often collects only limited number of species, specimens of each species. So it agrees with the writer's question. So this will be true. We will also write true in the 29th column. Question number 30 is: a single collection of ants can generally be used for both taxonomic and ecological purposes. A single collection of ants can generally be used. Now we will again read the paragraph from where we skipped. In the previous paragraph, we read that ecological often collects only a limited number of specimens of each species. So, but not taxonomic. Not this is done by the taxonomic investigations. So, this statement contradicts the writer's information. A single collection of ants can generally be used for both taxonomic and ecological purposes. But in the paragraph, it is written that it is only used for the ecological purposes, not for the taxonomic purposes. So this will be false, and again the false will be written in the 27th answer. I hope this video will be beneficial for you to do your question of true, false, not given. If it do so, don't forget not to subscribe, but also share and like the video. Allah Hafiz.